Good day. Welcome to King Williams Everything. My pal Matt let me borrow this. And it seems like he has a lot of interesting things. I'm not sure where he's getting all this stuff. But as you kind of tell, it's a little briefcase. It's got like a little pegboard. Let me cover up the label so you don't see what it is. And then it has like a chalkboard on the back. Kind of odd, isn't it? Well, if you look on the front, this is a Erectronic system, Model T-175W. So I assume that's 175 watts. Erectronic. Now, if you remember, like in the 70s, probably in the 60s too, they had a lot of those erector sets and stuff like that. I suspect that's what this was about. I don't know. We have to look up the date. I'll put it up here somewhere. You'll see it. But anyways, electronic, registered trademark system. So let's open this bad boy up, and maybe you'll kind of get a better idea what this is. I already took a look at it, so I kind of know, but I'm still kind of curious that what are we going to do with this? So you can see on the inside it's got the pegboard. You can see some diagrams. We're going to save that for later, but we're going to show you this part here. Look at this stuff. We have Kodak film with something in it, but you can see 22K resistor, 1K resistor. Look how big these things are. So it gives you a hint at the age of this. I'm going to say this is like maybe 70s, probably like early 70s maybe, just by the size of these components. See a transistor, look at that, that's a transistor there. A little rheostat, a little pot. Oh, here's for a cell battery, and this is a, I don't know what that is, cell. Maybe it's for a battery. I think for a battery. Oh, you can compare compartment, oh, headset, battery, antenna wire, ground wire, and jiffy connectors. Oh, and here's some capacitors. So here we go. This is a nice capacitor. It's a 1 microfarad and a 0.005 mmF capacitor. 250, maybe that's microfarad. What is this? Capacitor. Look at that, a square capacitor with some codes on it. And this looks like it's for maybe like Morse code or something like that. But there's also some other cool things in here. So I guess you do power it with the battery. Let's look at the rest of things. A nice little, little scratchy. It's probably sat in here somewhere. It's got the wire. Oh, look at that. Oh, somebody's going to put the connector on there for you. And here's kind of a sample connector. Looks like this has already been cut up. Oh, wait, no, is it? It looks like maybe it's been cut into little pieces, so it's been played with. That's kind of cool. So I suspect what you do is, I don't know how you do this. Maybe you can just clip it on there. Yeah, probably just clip it on, or maybe you can just wrap the wire around. Well, don't want to open it up. Some more wire. This must be, yeah, this is the antenna wire. And a little speaker, so you kind of get an idea. Maybe you can make a radio out of this. And some more little wires. Oh, here we go. Somebody already put some together, nice and neat, so you can jumper things you like. And put that back over here. Put all these little fellows back in their hole. And kind of curious what's in here. Kodak film. Oh, look at that kid. Hey, how's it going? Instant. Let's see. Oh, nothing in there. Okay, so it must have been for storing things. But here's the best part. It has the manual. And this is an old school manual. Got some diagrams. So here's the manual. Look at that. It's got that like zero graph, or what is it? Mimeograph? Mimeograph. Look, it's even got a correction on it. Handwritten correction. And see, here's the Erectronic set Transistor Model T-175W instructions. Science Electronics, Cambridge, Massachusetts. Oh, copyright 1960. So there you go. So there you go, 1960s when this book was written for this guy. So this is probably from, oh, look at the text on this. How to check electronic circuits, parts list, general instructions, introduction to the electronic set. See, this must be just the manual. So you can kind of get a good idea. It's all text, so you had to read, baby. You had to read if you wanted to learn. There's no internet in 1960. Look at this, circuits. Use diagrams, circuit diagrams, how to check circuits. That's pretty cool. Okay, put that back. Now here's the parts list. You saw that already. And then the best part, it still has the diagrams. So I see what you do. It's got overlays, so you can kind of lay it on the parts you want, plug them in, and then wire it up. That's pretty cool. So this one makes a, what does this make? Musical tone producer. So a tone generator. And then we have a, what do we got here? Oh, basic crystal radio. Look at that. You want to build yourself a crystal radio? I'll put him over here. Oh, we got a whole bunch in here. I don't know if we'll have to look at them all, but we'll look at a good selection of them. Regenerative transistor radio. Oh, look at that. That's kind of cool. So yeah, I guess that's what the pegboard does. Lets you plug in where and how you like the parts. Or the parts you just need. And this one is a code practice set and transmitter, so it must be Morse code. Oh yeah, see here's the little switch. Right there. And then we have, let's see what we got here. This one is a crystal and transistor radio. There's a bunch of radio diagrams in here. And then a basic, looks like there's a couple of the same ones. Basic transistor radio. And then, ooh, how to install your own outside antenna. Look at that. So you can make your radio and then put it outside. Oh, and here's, so guys. Oh, then, oh, here you go. It even shows you the Morse code on there. We didn't see that on the other ones. So that's kind of cool. This is a voice transmitter. Look at that. Bam. You want to get a little more detailed? Transmit your voice. And then we have a crystal and 2 transistor radio. I'm not sure why you want 2 of them, but you can do that. There's a little diagram for you. Very cool. We got to build something. Maybe we'll do a video just building something. Bass modulation voice transmitter. Look at this. Wow. That probably uses all the good things. It's a ground antenna. It's blue with blue wires. Very nice. Look at that. Can you imagine it's a little kid today putting this together? Probably not, because it's not a cell phone, and it, you know, but you know, 1960s and 70s, this would have been a nice winter project, you know, inside when too cold to go outside and there's no TV, you know, all 13 channels. But you could build yourself a radio. How cool is that? Look at the little transistors. That is really cool. That is some vintage, oh, here's crystal diode lamp holder. Some very, 2W or 1K resistor, 2 watt. So very vintagey equipment. Very nice. This piece may be broken, but looks like it's all there. Definitely want to look up these guys. Oh, here's another terminal block, so you can tighten down your wires. Very nice, very neat. Look, it even still has put together. Somebody is, not sure what they were doing there, but very cool. So anyway, that is the Erectronic. Where's the manual? Where's the manual? Come here, baby. Where's the manual? Erectronic set. Transistor Model T-175W. Let's look and see. From 1960 by Science Electronics Inc. See if these guys are still in business. Say, hey, can you give us some parts, man? We need some more pieces and parts. Very neat. Kind of cool that somebody actually kept this and didn't get wet or sat in a basement for years, getting all moldy and stuff. But it was kind of cool, as you can probably, you know, bigger projects, you can maybe get some more parts and make a really big one. But it's really cool. Nice wood case, blackboard on the back. So anyway, there you go. If you get yourself an electronic set and have a good time, have a great day.